By adhering to creating out of nothing and a craftsman's spirit of refining, MingZhi Integrated Corporation is committed to providing best service and products for our customers. In China, it is the first company to use industrial automation production line assembly, testing tablet PC. The MingZhi shares owns an operating plant of 15,000 square meters, adhering to the ISO 901-2015 quality system and the spirit of quality committee. Our IQC test center has introduced up to 20 cans of international first-class testing equipment, including the audio tester, charger high voltage tester, general purpose charger tester, high and low temperature tester, TP service harness and steel job test, budding and conductor life test, product of high and low temperature test, simulated transport vibration test, wear bending test, battery capacity and internal resistance test, machine job test, and so on. More than 20 cans of world-class testing equipment. Huge investment was put into building an international advanced product testing center, and close cooperation was concluded with many capable check and detection organizations to ensure the timeliness and accuracy of the test. Tablet PC automatic assembly line is composed of 17 processing positions and 8 systems, which consist of a filling system, glue injecting system, screw assembling system, screw tapping system, mainboard filming system, mainboard conductive coating pasting system, and discharging system. The control system combines with hardware devices and detection systems to realize the production with high speed and precision. By operating through a touch screen, it can increase the qualification rate of products so as to escalate the productivity and reduce the cost. It also can be feasible for one man to monitor and operate the machine, which will save manpower by a large margin, realizing the work of completing TP's testing and laminating, high-quality welding of horn, microphone and battery, camera installation, harmonious small aging of cover. All products are 100% constant temperature aging. Everyone has a product self-test, QC, QA, automation system, special inspection, IPQC inspection, simulated assembling of the guts and the final QA detection, and the macro environment. In the macro environment of 1,000 level and 100 level dust-free sheds, we have always been working consciously and gained our customers' long-term trust with our concentration. MingZhi Integrated Corporation adopts the tablet PC detecting system developed by China for detection. The system is composed of 19 processing positions, 180 working procedures, 80 physical detecting points, 4 video testing modules, and 2 rapid arms. The system combined with 4 parts, including hardware detection interface, industrial control interface, remote servo information management, and intelligent tablet PC detection system. Among them, the hardware detection interface realized the detection with the traditional physical detection methods and feeds test results back to the server terminal for being monitored. Industrial control monitoring interface functions to manage 4 video testing modules and 2 audio testing modules and acts as a communication bridge between hardware interface and servo 8. Remote servo information management as a general administrator of the detection system plays the roles of collecting test data and deciding whether it is qualified. The tablet PC intelligent detection system will send the internal information of tablet PC to the server for comparing and judging whether it is qualified, and realize the tablet PC's functions such as shooting, sound, to facilitate the external detection. Through this system, we can put the automated intelligent detection technology into function to reduce man-made detection errors and provide more stable detection quality. The piping procedure implements no dust clean. Starting from touching TP protective films, it employs non-bubble filtering scrubber, 100% inspection product appearance, which provides solid guarantee for the final procedure of logistics delivery of the products and promotes the assurance of management and control of the products.